Guess where I am today? It's 5 to 6 in the afternoon, and I am over here at Astoria Park. So never been in this park, so I just kind of decided to just come down here and see if I heard there's a nice Manhattan skyline and probably a good sunset. So we'll see. It's kind of cloudy today, so may not see any, but who cares, right? Join me and let us look at this park. Astoria Park is a 59-acre park in Astoria, Queens in New York City. It is on the eastern shore of Hell Gate and also on the East River, between Ditmar Boulevard to the north and Hoyt Avenue to the south. And of course, Robert F. Kennedy and Hell Gate Bridge pass over the park. So let's come and enjoy this park with me. Sun's gonna set right there, but again it's cloudy. Yeah, beautiful skyline. That's the John F. Kennedy Bridge, and that's the East River, and that island across there, I think it's Riker. Somebody's jet skiing. And up here is Hell Gate Bridge, and I think you can walk across there to that island over there. It's the East River, and of course somebody coming across with a boat. I'm not sure where the ferry is, but I know there's a ferry here that goes towards Pier 11. It's pretty.